Question number 3 is find HCF of following numbers by division method. Okay. Division method means what? In that we have to divide the greater number by the smaller. Now compare. This is greater number, so I will divide greater number by smaller number. Okay. So 144 ones are 144. Okay. What will be the answer? Here 10, here 7. 10 minus 4 6. 7 minus 4, 3. Correct? Then, with this we have to divide 144. Okay? 36 4s are 144. See, 36 4s are 144. So, what is the HCF of these two numbers? Therefore, HCF of 144 and 180 is equal to, because of which number we got remainder as a 0, or we could completely divide because of 36. So, HCF is 36. Followed. Next, 126 and 540. From this, which is the smallest number? This. So, we will divide 540 by 126. Okay. 126. If I will multiply it by 4, what I will get? 6 4s are 24. Carry 2. 4 2s are 8, 9, 10. Carry 1. 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5. 504. Correct? So, now 504 is near to 540. So, 126 4s are 504. What answer you will get? 36. Now, with 36 divide 126. Okay. So, what 36? If we do 36 3s are 3s are 9 plus 1 10. Correct? So 36 3s are 108. Okay. Now 26 minus 8 is here 16. Here 1. 16 minus 8 8 1. Here 0. So now 18 and divide this 36. Okay. 18 2s are 36. Because of 18, after dividing by 18, we got remainder as a 0. Therefore, HCF of 126 and 540 is equal to 18. Okay. Next. Now compare these two. This is smaller, so with this we will divide 2275. Okay. Now 260. We cannot divide these three numbers by 260. Why? Because 227 is smaller than 260. So let us take all four digits. 260 we will see by 9. 9 zeros are 0. 9 6 are 54. 4 carry 5. 9 2s are 18. Plus 5 23. 2 3 4 0. It is greater than 2275. So 260 into 8 we will do. 8 zeros are 0. 8 6 are 48 carry 4. 8 2s are 16 plus 4. Okay. 2080. 260 8s are 2080. Do it. 5. This 7. Here 1. 17 minus 8 is 9. Correct? And 1 as it is. Now this 195 we got no remainder. With this we will divide to 260. Now if you will do to 195 2s are, it will be more than 260. So 195 1s are 195. 5. Okay. Now 10, here 5, here 1, 1. 10 minus 5, 5. 15 minus 9, how much? 6. Now with this 65 we have to divide 195. Okay. Now 65. With what we have to divide 3. 65 3s are here. 65 3s are. 3 5s are 15. 5. Carry 1. 3 6 are 18 plus 1 90. 65 3s are 195. Therefore, HCF of 216 and 2275 is 65. Is equal to 65. Got it? Now next 3 numbers are there. See, what you have to do? First, you will have to take greater number, divide it by smaller, and whatever remainder you will get, with that remainder you have to divide the divisor. Here this side which number will be there, to that we have to divide. Again, now if remainder is there, then again with this remainder you have to divide this divisor. Like this, till we are not getting 0, till that we have to divide. Okay, to find out the HCF. Now see, when 3 numbers are there, that time how? So compare these two. Which is greater? 15 is greater. So divide 20 by 15. So 15 ones are 15. Okay, 5 11. Then with 5 divide 15. 5 3s are 15. So what is the HCF of 15 and 20? Therefore, HCF of 15 and 20 is 5. Correct? Now, this HCF and 27 we have to divide. So, how to do here? See, I will show you here. Now, take 5 and last number is what? 27. 227 we have to divide by 5. 5 5s are 25. Okay, 7 minus 5, 2. 5. 2 2s are 4. 1. And with 1 divide this 2. 1 2s are 2. Got it? So what is? See, because of 1 we got 0. Therefore, HCF of 15, 20 and 27 is what? 1. Followed? When 3 numbers are there, that time take 2 numbers, in that which is the smaller number, with that divide. Whatever HCF you will get of those 2 numbers, with that HCF you will have to divide the third number. Okay? 8th one. Now see, in these 3 numbers, take first two numbers. Here in both, this is smaller, so we will divide 180 by 144. Now 144, 2s are, if you will do, it will be greater than 180. So 144 ones are 144. Do subtraction. 10 minus 4, 6. 7 minus 4, 3. Now with 36 divide 144. If you will do 36 fours are 144. That is HCF is 36. Correct? Now this HCF is 36 and last number is 192. So we will divide 192 by 36. Okay? 36 5s are. If you will do, you will get 180. Correct? So 36 5s are 180. 12. And here 12 3s are 36. When you get remainder as 12, with this 12 divide this number. So here we got 36. 12. So therefore, what is the HCF? HCF of 144, 180 and 192 is 12. Followed? Question number 4. Find the LCM of following numbers using prime factorization method. Now we have to find out LCM. See students, I will solve first and directly I will start 7th one. Middle 6 you will have to do because those are very small numbers and you can easily do it. Okay, once you will understand how to do, you will do it. So I will show you first one. 5 and 8, we have to find out the LCM, least common multiple by prime factorization method. So separately we will factorize this. Now 5 is a prime number and 5 is divisible by 5 only. 5 ones are 5, correct? Now here 2 4s are 8, then 2 2s are 4. Now 2 is a prime number, that means division over. Now what we have to write? We have to write the prime factors. Okay? Prime factors of 5 is equal to what? 1 into 5. Or only 5 we can write because that is the prime number only. No need to divide here, no need to show the division. Prime factor of 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. Now, therefore, LCM of 5 and 8. See here. Now, while finding out LCM, what we have to do? We have to take common factors also and we have to take uncommon factors also. So here see, nothing is common. Correct? Not a single this is common. So we will write 1 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 10 twos are 20, 20 twos are 40. This is only the difference in LCM. LCM what we have to do? We have to take common as well as uncommon factors. So 40 is the answer LCM of 5 and 8. Now next is 5, 9, 12. Actually students see 5 is a prime number. Here I have shown division but no need because 5 is a prime number itself. Okay. So 5 ones are 5 like that or you keep only 5. No problem. Then 9. 3 3s are 9. Then 12. 3 4s are 12, 2 2s are 4. Over. See how to find out whether our answer is correct or not. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 5 1s are 5. Got? Now we have to write the prime factors. You can write it 5 1s are 5. Then prime factors of 9 is equal to 3 3s are 9. Afterward, prime factors of 12 is equal to, see how to write, 3 into 2 into 2. Okay. Now LCM of 5, 9 and 12 is equal to, how to find out? We have to first find out the common factors. Now in all three numbers nothing is common. So compare these two. Here 3 is here, here 3 is there. Correct? So write this pair only one time. Now remaining all uncommon numbers we have to write. That is, you can write 1 on skip also because multiplying with 1 will give the same. So 5 into 3 into 2 into 2. Okay. See, only this both these number 3 was common, so I have written 3 here. And other uncommon numbers you have to write as it is in the form of product or in the form of multiplication. Now multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, and 63s are 180. Okay, so LCM of 5, 9 and 12 is equal to 180. Next, 12, 18, 27. So we have to factorize 12, 18 and 27. All these three numbers are there in 3's table. So 3 4s are 12. Then divide 4. 2 2s are 4. Next 18. 3 6s are 18. 3 2s are 6. Then 27. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. In this way. Now, right? Next step is prime factors. Prime factors of 12 is equal to 3 into 2 into 2. See whether it is correct or not. 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12. Next, prime factors of 18 is equal to 3 into 3 into 2. Next, prime factors of 27 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. Now next is LCM of LCM of 12, 18 and 27 is equal to. While finding out LCM, our first step is to find out the common factors. See, 3 is there in all. So this 3 I have written here. Next, 3 is here in both the numbers. So that also. Whatever are common, that we have to write one time only. Then, see, 2 is here also, here also. Into 2. Into, see, 2 into 3. Like that. 3 into 3 into 2 into this remaining uncommon factor 2 into 3. Now multiply. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. Okay, 18 2s are 36 and 36 3s are 108. Okay, so LCM of 12, 18 and 27 is 108. Followed? Question number 9. 24, 36, 40. We have to find out LCM. So, find out the prime factors of 24, 36 and 40. Okay. 4, 6 and 0 is there at its units place. So, according to the test of divisibility, we can divide all these three numbers by 2. So, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6. Okay. Then 36. How to divide? Again by 2. 36 divide. If you are unable to do orally, like this vertically also you can show. 2 1s are 2, 1, take this 6 down, 2 8s are 16. Correct? So, here answer will come 18. Now again to that 18 we have to divide by 2 or 3. Here I have divided by 2. 2 9s are 18. Now divide this 9 again. 3 3s are 9. Okay. Next 40. 2 2s are 40. 2 10s are 20. 2 5s are 10. So write down the prime factors of 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then is equal to. First, what we have to do? We have to find out the common factors. In all these three numbers, see, number 2. Write one time. Again 2 is there, common. One time. Then, this 3 is there in these two numbers. So that also we have to take as a common only. And see here, 2 is here and here. That means this 2 is also common. So that I have written one time. Into. Now what are uncommon? 3 and 5. 3 into 5. Okay. Now multiply. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 24. 24 3s are 72. And 72 5s are 360. Okay. So this is the LCM of these given numbers. Next, 112, 168 and 228. So we will find out its prime factors. Now see again, these three numbers are divisible by 2. So as 2, 8 and 8 is there at its units place, we can divide it by 2. Divide 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8 and 2 7s are 14. Here 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. 3 7s are 21. Next, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are. 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14. Then 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are. And 19 is a prime number, so we have to stop there only. Now, therefore, LCM of 112, 168 and 2, no sorry, what we have to do first, we have to write their factors, prime factors. Therefore, prime factors of 112 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Next, prime factors of 168 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Next, prime factors of 228 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 19. Okay. So what we have to do? First we have to find out the common factors. LCM of 112, 168 and 228 is equal to. Now what is common? 2 is common in all these three. So write 2 into. Again you see common. So that we have to write one time only. Then 2 is common in both. So that also write one time only. Then this 7 is common. That into. This 3 is common. 3 into. Now what is uncommon? This 2 and 19. 2 into 19. Now do multiplication. Okay. See, 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 7s are 56. Okay. Like this I will do. It's up till here I have done. Then 3 2s are 6. Okay. Into 6 into 19. Afterward, you can do like this also. 56 into first we will write 19 are 114 into 56. It is quite big multiplication, so orally it is not possible for you. So we can do in this way also. Okay, see, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 7s are 56, then 3 2s are 6 and 19. So 19 6 are 114 and this 56. Now multiply 6 4s are 24, 6 1s are 6 plus 2 8, 6 1s are 6. Then 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5 plus 2 7, 5 1s are add. So answer is 6384, 6384. This is the LCM of these three numbers. It's quite big multiplication, but do carefully, step by step go, you will get the correct answer.